Today in the livestock complex, the live cattle market was choppy. It had limited cash activity so far for the week, and it seems that there's been some slight consolidation and perhaps a recovery for the new month since the 8% drop in the just in the last week. Now, grilling season is ahead, and hopefully that should pick up maybe a little bit of spark of demand. The feeders were mixed today. The futures did bounce off their new lows, but when you look at the chart, it really fell hard over the last couple of weeks, and it's kind of difficult. The hopes for overflow buying from the hog market is really maybe sparking a little bit more of consolidation and kind of sideways move, because the wholesale values are also down, and overall beef demand was expected to be good, but right now it's still showing a little bit lackluster. So we're watching that closely. The big game of the day today was the hogs. We had a limit up move. The futures are still, we're still kind of correcting, but the market is really bouncing back off that. After that consolidation for the past 3 days, a big surge in buying came back in, and the market's up again. They expect that really the trade deal is going to equal huge exports to China, and at that point, that should definitely start tightening the supplies. That is a perfect recipe for a big rally and a big upside move. So every time the market starts to take a breather and we get a pullback and maybe a little correction, we get buyers stepping right back in. A lot of people want to participate in that market because they see that there's going to be a lot more volatility ahead, and we predicted it about a month ago, and it's exactly giving us that. Now, I think that it's going to certainly we're all going to be watching this trade deal. If this ever comes to pass, I know that they've pushed the talks now to next week. If that actually happens, we're going to see a lot bigger moves and a lot stronger surge to the upside again. So we got to watch that closely. African swine fever is definitely playing havoc on this market.